Last War Frontline Breakthrough 11. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can beat level 11 in Last War Frontline Breakthrough 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to beat level 11, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Initial focus on barrels. Target barrels containing soldiers to quickly increase your troop count. Prioritize barrels that are easily accessible to amass a small army. Step 2. Avoid negative barriers. Steer clear of barriers with negative values as they reduce your troop numbers. Plan your movements carefully to bypass these obstacles. Step 3. Collect weapons. Gather weapons available in the level to enhance your offensive abilities. Use these weapons to destroy barrels and barriers more effectively. Step 4. Manage troop movements. Be cautious when moving large groups of troops. Even minor contact with negative barriers can cause significant losses. Navigate carefully to maintain your troop strength. Step 5. Utilize Monica wisely. If Monica is available, deploy her strategically. Ensure her missiles are targeted at a safe distance from your troops to avoid friendly fire. So that's how you can beat level 11 in Last War Frontline Breakthrough 11. That's all for this video.